This is my brother. He is small. He is a baby. His name is Aryan. My name is Hanchita. He is small. He don't go to school. Only he does these 4 things: eating, sleeping, crying, and crawling, and that's it. And drinking milk. He is a lovely baby. He always wants to eat, drink, and all he wants to do. Jig, jig, jig. And I'm going to show you one video about him. He is the police. This is the thief. Thief, come. Thief, come.
Hey!
This is the thief. Ha ha ha. He's the police. The thief will be hiding. He caught the thief. Oh,